Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl Coco Styles, and on this channel we talk about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and styling. But in today's video, I wanted to unbox a bag that I purchased from a black-owned designer by the name of T.Nicole, and she has a full leather bag. Let me show you guys the box. So the packaging is really cute. Let me come up a little closer. I hope you guys can see this. I don't know if you guys already know me. In my I don't know, how come I never could. Well, anyway, it's her emblem here. The box is really nice. It has an additional sticker here before you open it. And again, her emblem is on the top. It's really nice box. Let's cut it open and see what we're working with. I like the package. I'm just gonna peel it open. All right. I'll probably speed it up a little bit. Alright, so I got that open. And it has one of those magnetic fronts, like, I want to say Jennifer Lee's looks like this. It has a magnetic front and it just opens up. So here's the inside, some gold packaging. It comes with a card and it is handwritten. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for your support. I hope you love your new bag. T.Nicole. It's awesome. I love it. Okay. And here we go. Let's open it up. Now the color is not your average color. It's not your average color. Not your average color bag. However, it is a nice, pretty color. It comes with a dust bag. And the dust bag, it's not super large or anything like that, but your bag fits snug in it. It's good quality. It has her emblem here also. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so bright in here, I don't know why. Yeah. And here's the bag. Can you guys see this bag? It has her emblem here, I guess her logo, sorry. And the handles are tortoiseshell. Now, I love tortoiseshell, and what I like about this bag is that it's thick. So I wouldn't recommend you guys like filling the bag up to the point where it's like overflown, because it is soft. You don't want it to start denting up, and it's almost like my Gucci bag, same thing, same material. So I definitely wouldn't overpack it to where it's like bulging out. Let me just come up a little closer so you guys can see the handle. So that's the handle, that's the bag. And I want to say it's the same size as the Speedy. I want to say it's the same size as the Speedy. Okay. This color is one of my colors. Of course, it just has the paper on the inside. Paper on the inside. It also has a logo again on the inside. It's not suede on the inside. It is canvas, which is great. It has one pocket, which is pretty deep. The buttons, the zipper is gold as well as is it on the outside. So it is only one pocket, guys. So if you want something with more pockets, this doesn't have it. But I ultimately think that this is a really, really nice quality bag. And it's black owned. You know, a lot of black owned designers, the price is like super high or it's not full leather. So those of you guys who do not like leather bags, full leather, this may not be for you. But if you do, this bag is for you. Let me see if I can come back a little further. Because you guys know I'm tall, so it doesn't seem like super small for me. Now, if you do not like to carry bags in your hand, I am trying to figure out a way where you can put a strap without messing up the leather on the bag or even the tortoiseshell handles, right? So I guess you can get creative, but if you don't like bags like this, and you can possibly put a strap, all right? So that's all I wanted to do, guys, is give you guys a little unboxing of this new handbag that I purchased, and the price is $4.50, and I believe there is payment plans on there if you want it, like a firm or whatever, one of those places. So I guess you would pay like $112, something like that, $4.50 for it. But let me know what you guys think. I think I only have a couple of things from black owned designers, and that's because I'm very finicky about things in my wardrobe, especially color wise. So this would fit it, and I have a lot of things to wear with this. So you guys will see me styling this bag very, very soon. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll definitely see this bag. So if you like videos like this, please comment below. And if you stay to the end of this video, please comment Coco, we see you. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Cocostylesny. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.